y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. It really helped me out here on YouTube, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. As you guys can see today, it is another Fashion Nova haul. I can never stay away from Fashion Nova. Can you? Go in the comment section if you can ever stay away from Fashion Nova. Okay, I just cannot. They were doing buy one get one free, so I had to go over there and copy a couple of things. You guys haven't seen me on your screen in a while, so I'm back with another Fashion Nova haul. If you want to see what your girl got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing we got is a two-piece set. There is no Fashion Nova of mine haul that don't have a two-piece set and a dress in it. So point blank period, we're gonna come through with a two-piece set, because what two-piece set is very easy and very comfortable to put on. Just go in your closet, doesn't need any effort. Put it on, put on your accessory, and you are good to go, honey. So the first one we got, so it is this blue top right over here, sleeveless, like a spaghetti strap, and it does have a button going not all the way down, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, and I think it stops in your mid section, which is really cute and really nice. And it does come with this long pants. You could make this a loungewear. It is not see-through, so you could wear regular underwear with this and you'll be good to go. And you could make this a loungewear, something you guys chill in the house with, or something you could just wear to go take a walk, to go meet your girls out with the slippers and a jacket or whatever, and you'll be able to go and meet your girls out and catch a little bit of fun in the evening, go smoke some hookah and all that good stuff. I got this in a size medium. This is called Peace of Mind Textured Pants Sets in a light blue size medium. Everything I got is in a medium. I am naturally medium from Fashion Nova, so I always get medium. If it has a lot of stretch, I go down to a small, sometimes an extra small, but not that your girl's a little bit chunky, okay? She gonna go a little bit higher on size, but medium is my size. No matter how big or how small I get, medium is actually my size. And it does come with the adjustable strap right over here. I can never wear heels with this because it's not as long as I thought it was gonna be, so it's something casual that I'll just put on, put a sweater, especially this fall season that is here. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, so things like this can still work, especially here. Okay guys, the next thing that I got, it is a jumpsuit. It is gray, and I love this jumpsuit. The jumpsuit has not a lot of give, but it does have enough stretch that even if you want to size down, you can size down in this. I stayed to my regular size. I got it in a medium, and this is called Samantha Tube jumpsuit in a size medium, and the color is charcoal. So it is this right over here. You guys can see how cute and how nice this is. It does have a boning right here on the chest area. It doesn't have the sticky thingy that always stick right here on your chest. It doesn't have that. It does have a boning right here, but you still need a boob tape on this, or a bra, a strapless bra with this one for it to be very comfortable, because it will be, you know, coming down, especially if you have big titties. This will always come down, but if you have a very small breast or you are itty bitty community, this will stay pretty well for you. All you have to do is just put a boob tape and, you know, tape it to your skin, or, you know, just put a nipple cover on this and you should be able to go. But us with a little bit of give on the chest area, you need something like this, just a half bra or a boob tape that will just lift your girl and let this stay in place. It is very cute, really long. I love that, and it's tapered at your ankle, so it's not big or anything like that. I really like it, and I like the color. Also for this weather, if you're wearing it for the fall, all you need is a nice blazer jacket on top of it. I will be styling some of this for fall, for my fall outfit. I will be styling them very soon for you guys, and you guys will see how I'm going to put it together, and I hope it helps you guys also style your outfit for the fall weather. But this set, the pants was very disappointing. It is short. The short is very disappointing. It comes in a short and shirt right here. The short is very disappointing. I wish they make this work. This is just a full string whatever right there, and for us with the big hips and big butt, I'll say size up. And I wish they sold it separately. That would have made so much sense, because if they are sold it separately, because of the material, it's like a satin kind of situation. If they are sold it separately, I would have gotten my pants in a large and leave my top in a medium. I think that would have been much better. And this is called Anita short set in the color mauve, size medium. I'm keeping this just for the top. I know it's wrinkled. I brought them out of the bag and I tried it on for you guys, and I'm sitting down to shoot it for you guys, so I didn't have time to steam it or anything like that. I am keeping this set just because of the top. I like the top. The top is cute. It's big enough for me to wear to work, so I'll definitely be wearing this to work. Or if I want to style it to go out and hang out with friends and stuff, I could just wear this, tie it up, and wear nice black shorts or tights or leggings or skinny jeans with this, and I should be able to go. I really like it, and I like the color also. I know it's more for spring and all that because of this color, but it doesn't matter. I'll still wear it. The sun is shining, so it doesn't matter what weather it is. I think I should be able to still rock this out. I love it, except for the shorts. Nothing to complain about this outfit right here. Okay guys, the next thing that I got is this shirt dress right here. Jean shirt dress. Wahoo. Got tongue tied. Okay, so it is this shirt dress right over here. I really like it. It gives you a nice shape. It does have a full corset thingy going on the waist area. You could wear it as a dress, you could wear it as a shirt, you could wear it as a regular jacket, in my opinion. And this color is really nice. I like the fact that the button is press button, and it does come with a pocket right here, and it does have a pocket right here on the side. You guys will see it in the video. It does also have a pocket right over here. It is not too short and it's not too long. That's one thing I really like about it, the fact that I can wear it and it's not too long and it's not too short. I like this. And this is called Street Mood Denim Mini Dress, size medium, light wash. Everything that I have on would definitely be in the description box. You guys know how I do it. I always come through for you guys. But yeah, this is what this one is looking like. Okay, I have two bottom jeans that I'm gonna show you guys, but the first one is this one right here. This is not Fashion Nova material. That's why I had to size up, because if it was Fashion Nova material, I know a 7 would have fit me bum perfect and nice. This is CeeLo. You guys can see it says CeeLo right there. Super hot, perfect. I love the high waist situation going on with this pants. It is a super high waist dad jean in a size 9. That website is ceelojean.com. So if you want to try their website instead of going through Fashion Nova, you could also do that. This is really cute. I like it. And I like I'm not a fan of button jean. I like my jeans to have a zipper, but this is not too bad. I enjoyed it, and it does come with a rip right there on the knee. It's not too bad of a rip. This one has like really like they just cut this off for you, and this did kind of distress this one a little bit, and it was nice. And I love the fact that all the pockets are all real pockets. He has 2 real pockets right here and 2 real pockets on the back. With this, you could put on a white shirt with this, and not too high of a heel if you want to wear heels with this, because for me, I don't think I want to wear high heels to this. I have at least a 4-inch heel or 3 to 2-inch heel would be perfect if you want to wear heels with this. Or you could wear Doc Marten with this one, and I think it would be cute also. Like I said, I will be styling some of my some of this outfit very soon, and you guys will see how I style them. It's a real jean material. This is a true jean. Stretching it ain't much, okay? Stretching this, it ain't much, so you might want to size up. That's the reason why I size up. I'm normally a 7 in Fashion Nova jeans, but I had to buy a 9 because the way I saw it on the girl, they say not a lot of stretch. So I had to like buy it in a size 9. Okay guys, with the pant that I just showed you guys, I tried it on with this shirt, this PU leather shirt right over here. I love me things simple. You guys can see much on my hand, but when I put it on, but you guys will see it in the video how it looks and all that good. So I love me simple things like this. I have me a couple of crop faux leather thingy like this. This is called Bad Gal. Bad Gal faux leather wrap top in the color black, size medium. Bad Gal, all right. Oh lordy. So yeah, I really like this. It's cute, it's simple, long sleeve, but please don't wear this when it is hot outside. When it is hot outside, does not do you any good, because you're gonna be sweating in places your ass don't even know you have. Your roll is gonna be sweating, only your titties gonna be sweating, your armpit gonna be sweating, even in between right here gonna be sweating, because girl, I was sweating just trying this on. Okay guys, the next thing that I got for you guys, it is this top right here. This is just a regular top. I got this in a large because I want it loose. I don't want it too tight to my body. But honestly, you gotta size up regardless in this. This, if I got a medium in this, it would not do me any good because it would be so small, so tight, and all that good stuff. And I wish this was a little bit longer, but it's okay. It's manageable. And this is called Deviant Mesh Mock Neck Top in black, size large. And yeah, it doesn't have any single give to it. And yeah, classy, cute, something you could wear out. Also, you also need a nice black bra, any colored bra you want, you could also get it. You could also wear it with this one. I love it. It's not bad. It does come with this kind of hand right here, cuffed hand right over here. Not bad. It doesn't have any zipper though, so I feel like if you want to wear this, you either wear it before you do your makeup, or you can wear it after makeup, and you just gotta be real careful with this. So with that shirt that I just showed you guys, I tried it on with my second and last jeans that I got from Fashion Nova. I could get it buttoned. It looks like this. It's also a straight jeans, but this has more distress than the other color. Right over here is really distressed. Right, you got this one and some on the knee area. It does also come with one right here in the pocket area. I like this also. I also got this in a size 9, like almost. There's no, it's just the same material, like real denim. You gotta like size up in your size. And this is called Dear Diary straight leg jeans in a medium wash, size 9. It doesn't have any stretch. I'm just let y'all know. So size up in this. So yeah, they did put it there and say it doesn't have a lot of stretch. So that's why I sized up in this. Really cute, really nice, straight leg. I've been looking for a good straight leg jeans. And I'm glad I'm able to get this too from Fashion Nova. I like it. It's cute. Does also have a distress by the leg area. You guys can see right over there. I like it. This one also, I cannot wear a high heel with it. Really nice short heels would be good with this. Jeans also, I tried on this top for you guys. This one is a size small. I love tops like this. Actually, I tried to get in this extra small. Or if they have an extra, this will fit. So size down in this if you want it to be extra crop. I love things like this. I have one that I got from, I think it was also from Fashion Nova that I got that top from. So this is really cute, really nice. It's a nice silk material, bell sleeve. If you're new here, we are all about the exaggerated sleeve on this channel. So yeah, it comes with this little beautiful sleeve in the color, my favorite color, purple. So with this color, it is just royalty. We're talking about royalty, and this is called Wahoo. I don't think it ever came with a tag on it, so I can't tell you guys the name, but it would definitely be in the description box. So like I said, size down in this, and if you want it to be more crop on you, just tuck this part under your boobs, and it will give you more crop if you want. Okay guys, last but not the least, What would a Fashion Nova be on a Miss Tito channel without a dress? So I got this one cute little black dress. You can never go wrong with a black dress in your closet. So I went with this really cute. It's like the gray jumpsuit that I showed you guys. That's what it's like. The same sweetheart neckline. This one right here. But the only part about this one is it stays up better than the jumpsuits. This one stays up better than the jumpsuits, which I really like. Also come with the boning. These ones are not boning, they're just there. This is the only boning that this one have. Really cute, really nice. This is what the back is looking like. It does have a zipper right over there, and it does come with a slit right here. So this is a cute little black dress that you can have in your closet. Like I said, you can never go wrong with a little black dress in your closet. So okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. It does help your girl out here on YouTube, and a nice comment would be great in the comment section also. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are passing by. Everything that I have will definitely be in the description box for you guys, so don't forget to check it out, and a whole bunch of goodies will also be there for you guys. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because what? Because God got your back. Mwah.